Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng Italy para makapagbakasyon sa ganitong European style na hotel dahil merong Via Appia na located lang dito sa Tagaytay. Hi guys! This is Ila and isishare ko sa inyo itong high-class na hotel na pinagstayan namin. Sobrang perfect nito for staycation dahil kumpleto lahat. Meron silang outdoor play area na sure ako magugustuhan ng mga kids, indoor heated pool, game room na bet ko dahil meron silang table tennis na for free use, and if meron kayong event, meron silang main function hall that can accommodate up to 200 guests and mini conference room. Yung outdoor space nila pwedeng mag-cater ng garden wedding, team building, and iba pang outdoor activities. Meron din silang chapel na replica of the Domenico Wadis Church. Starting rate nila is 2,500 pesos and may option kayo if you want nyo rin i-avail yung breakfast nila. You can book this on Klook and use my code ILAKLOOK para may discount kayo. Binook nga namin tong premier room with balcony, provided na yung sleepers, towels, toiletries, meron na ding hair dryer, bidet sa CR, split type aircon, smart TV with Netflix, mabilis na wifi, kettle with complimentary coffees, free bottled waters, and pinakagusto ko ay yung garden view mula sa balcony namin. Check-in time will be at 2 p.m. and check-out will be at 12 noon the next day. Sobrang tahimik and nakaka-relax dito kaya itry nyo na din. If meron kang question, drop mo lang sa comment section. Follow mo na din ako for more travel tips. Enjoy Tagaytay! Safe travels everyone!